Who are you yelling at? I see no one.
My brother. He's right in there. A goblin turned him into a fish.
What the fuck?
Defeat the Dice Champion. Found at Buckingham's Inn in North Oxfordshire. Hey, at least they all in Buckingham's Inn. At least they all in Oxfordshire. Buckingham's Inn. See, and then look, this is what I do. I go around Buckingham, and then I guess this is it right here. Where the fuck am I at? Is there a fast travel? Fuck, I gotta go. Fuck! This nigga inside of here? What's up with him, my nigga? Oh my goodness.
Orlok, I'm interested.
Orlok. Oh my
seat,
goodness.
will
I
you?
remember the first time I ever tried to play this shit was one of the, not the very first episodes, but I think it was when me and had came to London. I think it's London, right? Yeah, we had came to London. I think that's where we had, no, England, where we had came to England. I remember I sat, or maybe I think it was at
Let us
when
begin.
we was at the place we was at before.
I like you already.
Can I get some booty? Heads or tails, a coin flip will determine who plays first. Heads, always. It's always gonna be heads. Fuck. Fuck! I don't know how to play this shit, bro. I hope we ain't got no money on the line. Friendly game? Roll dice. Okay, die faces. Tokens are used as offerings to invoke god favors. Deal 1 damage. So the axe is 1 damage. The thing is 1 damage. That's a block. Okay, so those two are blocks. Gain, steal, opponent. Okay. Select dice to keep, then confirm. Okay. So she got 2. Wait, help. What does she have? She got 2 of those. She got 2 shields and then a hand. Steal 1 from the opponent. So she gets to steal 1. I have to block. I have to do this. No, that's an attack. What the fuck am I attacking for? Put that back. Do this. Oh no, I have to do 3 blocks. I have to do 3 blocks.
Not like this.
Yeah, I gotta play like that, my baby. Simple as that. Roll dice. I gotta play like that. So she got 1 defense and 2 fights. I got all fights. Play that. I beat her. Why come she can? Why this bitch get the? That's cheating. That's cheating. Why this hoe get the? Nigga. Roll it right, A-boy. God damn. She got 3 steals. I'm finna take 1 of hers and beat her ass. I got to beat her ass. Play my hand. Cause I'm a bigger man. Oh no, she gotta re-roll. Oh, she don't wanna play none of that? Okay, so I'm a guard myself and whoop 1 more ass. Confirm.
This will do.
Roll, I guess. Shit. Yeah, so, cause that's all I got left. And you have to play those. God favor phase. God favor. In this phase, you may choose a God favor to invoke. God favors are invoked in order of priority. When a God favor is invoked, its offering is given and its effect granted. Most God favors are invoked after both players choose before the resolution phase, but some that specifically state it in their effect description are invoked after the resolution phase. Tip: if a player doesn't have enough for the offering when the God favor they chose is invoked, the effect is not granted. You can use this to your advantage against your opponent. Select God favor to use or skip. I'm using the God favor. How do I use a God favor? God favor? God favor? Anybody? Why the fuck she got all of these and I only got one? It's cheating. Give me all the damage. Bro, I guess, bro. She finna bust my ass, bro. She's a champion. I think I'm losing right now. Some bullshit. Not enough. So she wins. Oh my fucking goodness, bro. This game is pure luck. That's what it is.
Interesting.
What up, y'all, and welcome back to the Assassin's Creed Valhalla comments, part 164. My boy DJ Hood said, I like how you took out them bears. Hey, I remember that shit too. I climbed up on what's the name, waited for both of them to turn around. Fuck both of them up, no cap. Where I can hit that little soft spot. My boy DJ Hood said, yeah, he was built different. Oh, you talking about, damn, wait. Ooh. You talking about Eivor? I don't know. Shit, I be getting confused. My boy DJ Hood said, thinking you was going to miss the haystack. The edit I was thinking of was from the movies, The Other Guys, when The Rock and Samuel Jackson jumped off the roof, aiming for the trees. Hope you know what I'm talking about. Okay, hold on. I've seen the movie. I've seen this movie before. Damn. I've seen The Other Guys before, but I've only seen it one time. You know, and it was a long time. It was probably when it first dropped and shit. But I don't know. I don't know what part you're talking about, but I do know the fucking movie. I do know that movie. Samuel Jackson is the bald head nigga. I know who you talking about. But damn, I'm gonna go look it up and see. My boy DJ Hood said, did you do the slow motion or was it the game? Cause that shit was clean. I'm pretty sure I did the slow motion because I don't know what part of the episode you're talking about, like which specific part and shit, but I'm pretty sure I was the one who had, you know, added in the slow motion, so I appreciate that. Thank you and shit. I'll let you. I'm on the journey of rewatching all of these episodes back and shit like that, so I'll let you know. My boy DJ Hood said support. I appreciate all the support, DJ Hood. No cap. My boy DJ Hood also said, P.S. you dropped the same video with a different thumbnail. With different thumbnails. Thank you, cause my dumb ass, bro. You know, it's just like me trying to get everything is, man, that was an L. That was a big L. I can't do shit like that. I gotta make sure that I'm paying attention. This is the first time this shit ever happened, so, you know, it's a learning curve. Right now, y'all currently seeing me playing Orlog and shit like that. I don't know how much of the Orlog match is left, but shit, I'm speeding through it. So, here y'all go. Let me go. I appreciate the support, DJ. Let's get back into the video. Took all my shit.
Loki must have tampered with my bones.
Fuck! Don't be too hard on yourself. Orlog is a whimsical game. Let's go again.
Go again.
Set the board,
I gotta
go again.
I gotta beat this bitch. It's always heads. Yes, sir. She played first last time, that's why she won. Fuck that. Bro, why does she have 3 shits? It's some bullshit. They cheating. And then these next ones, I'm gonna have to just play them. Bro, what the? And then my shit was about to land on that. Okay, there we go. Okay, at least we got 3. Okay, we got 3. We tied her up. Okay, good. That shit up, my nigga. So I took 2 of hers, she took 1 of mine. Okay, I'm up right now so far. I need something to drink.
Interesting.
Fuck. Ooh. Play those. Roll the dice. Uh-oh. Let me get that. Play that. And then these next 3 I might have to just play them automatically. Roll that dice. I need 3 blocks, okay. Alright, I got 2 out of 3 blocks. God's favor. Select God's favor. Okay. Why didn't I take none of her chips? Why is she still taking more? Shit I be talking about, bro. I gotta play all these now. Yes, okay. It's tied up. I like that, I like that. She ain't got nothing up there yet. That can really fuck with me. Oh my goodness. Okay. I mean, I guess I'm getting the gist, but oh man. Why don't I take none of her shit? Bro, this is some bullshit. I don't like playing shit like this. Because first of all, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. And second of all, I feel like I got a gist of what I'm doing, but bro, no, it's not like some bullshit. Because every single time she takes mine, but I can't take hers. And nigga, well, I know it's something I'm not doing right, but still, bro. So I got the guy's favorite just because I got 3 hands and she don't got nothing, right? Okay. Now what? Okay, I have God's favor, so let's use that shit. She don't have no God's favor. Oh, cause she got that little thing over there. How? Yes. No. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Nope, re-roll that hoe. This is it right here, y'all. This is it. Re-roll those. Get 2 hands. Fuck. I'm gonna put a block with a block. I should have just re-rolled, but fuck it. I feel confident doing that. She got 3 blocks. Give me a hand, bro. This is some bullshit. Hey, I'm gonna play her game. All blocks. Excuse me, I burped. She got a hand in 2 fights. She got God's favor. Fuck, I lost. Oh, I got God. See, this is the shit I be talking. I don't get this shit. Cause I thought God's favor meant that the hand I lost. Let's fucking go.
Well fought.
No. I played perfectly.
No, fuck you.
Another round?
Fuck you. Leave me alone.
Another
Leave me alone.
time, perhaps.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Now give me that note about this nigga. I love you, my baby. Good shit. Alright, investigate the sealed chamber on the grounds of Eothen Barn, east of... Shits. Okay. Investigate sealed chamber on the grounds of Eaton Barn.
I see you! Mother is gonna be so angry!
Fishing poem, dewy day has dawned. Poor Peter peters in the pond, hopes and wishes to see silvery wishes of fine slippery fins of fishes.
Walter! This isn't funny anymore!
Who are you yelling at? I see no one.
My brother, he's right in there. A goblin turned him into a fish.
A goblin turned him into a fish.
He
Hey,
won't
boy,
come out of the
you
water
have
to
to
do
believe
his
it, bro.
chores. Mom's gonna be so angry. Oh, whatever will I do?
Hey, I don't know
Not the
shit.
right fish. My brother has brown eyes. I've got to get him out of that pond. It won't be easy.
So I have to fish.
He's mean and slippery.
Look at all those
Walter,
delicious
you are
fish.
gonna be in so much trouble when Mom hears about this. She told you not to talk to goblins.
Man, looks
I'm
like
not
my brother.
convinced at all that your brother is under a goblin's spell.
Keep fishing! I've got treats for you, Walter. Worms and such.
Bitch, I can't see shit, bro.
Another one! That's enough!
Walter, stay in the bushes.
We've got all we need!
We don't have them yet, you pudding head.
Don't call me names!
Pudding head, pudding head.
So this nigga was capping.
Your brother looks pretty healthy for fish.
We thought it would be fun to get someone else to do the fishing for us.
So you fooled me.
And it worked. If you like, you could leave us the fish anyway. We'll swap them for brittle at the market.
I give y'all the
Walter,
fish.
we got the fish. Thank you, stranger.
Yeah, that's all I wanted, my nigga. Fishing lesson. These niggas, bro. Fuck is this? Never found their cave. We leave this note as memorial to our lost comrades, poor and afflicted. We all huddled within this cave for shelter. Some of us went out to hunt, but upon our return found the cave collapsed and our friends sealed within as in a tomb. We drink to our memory of them and to our loss. Hey, rest in peace, they fucking soul, my nigga. Okay. Letter from Lady Edwin. Be it known that her ladyship is well pleased with the quantity and quality of the supplies delivered at Eden Barn. Heretofore, the trade tax shall be reduced for your goods. My nigga, I'm not looking for that. Okay, so I see a key up there. Eden barn key. Okay, so I have a barn key now. Where the fuck is the barn at? I don't. Shit. Or I'm fucking. Yup, got it. Right here. Yes, sir. The Lathe. You are DED, my nigga. You are DED. The fuck is this? Treasure hoard map? Say less. Alright, y'all, we found them. Mucel hired to what he tells. Warden of Wealth. Assassinate the Lathe. He can be found repairing ships near the dock of Buckingham in Oxenfordshire. Pre-ost Mucel the Lathe. Mucel was brought into the order by his colleague the Anvil. Ooh, fuck this shit up. Who plucked him away from service of the young Aethelred. The order values his great expertise in shipbuilding and in fashioning wooden implements of torture. Damn. You gonna die. Wait. Bro, so you tell... Bro, don't tell... I wonder, could I have just walked up to him? Because I was just, oh, this is where I beat the bitch in dice. I could have just walked over to the... I wonder, is it like that, or do I really have to find the clues? What if I would have killed every nigga up in that bit, like, just start fighting everybody? This is some bullshit. That's what that is. Now, my question is, do I gotta ride my horse all the way back over there? That's some bull... Bro, what the fuck I do? Oh, goodness, bro. I wonder, could I have just done that, though, honestly? Just, like, killed everybody in that bitch. Nigga gave up quick. He said, fuck that. Dead ass nigga. Easy.
I serve the young Athelred. He will rise one day. He is no Alfred, from what I hear. I lied to everyone, and they will never know. They will tell stories of me as a good man who served his lord. Your Hooga walks with a new beast.
Peace out, boss man. Excuse me, I burped. Investigate the tall Roman tower north of Northwick in East Anglia. East Anglia, Roman tower. A Roman tower? I gotta go here. A Roman tower? How the fuck I know what the fucking Roman tower look like, bruh? Big synchronization.
Be careful now.
Oh shit. Fuck. Who here? These niggas real life be guarding this shit. Weirdos. Like, bro, what are you getting from this? Okay, now I have to be careful, because this is where they love to put snakes. They love to put snakes in these areas. For no fucking reason. Do I see any fucking snakes? Ain't nobody up in this area. What? Why the fuck I felt something touch my toe? But ain't nobody doing their job, honestly. Literally, nobody's doing their job. A Danes later, Eric. Ruid claims we took treasure from our last raid, but denied him his rightful share. You know we found nothing. Those Saxon farmers must have stashed it. Find it before Reed exiles us, or worse. One of the farmers spoke of an underground vault, but he did not survive my questioning. Find this vault, Eric, before Ruid finds us. Ruid damn near found y'all, honestly. I will not lie to y'all. I think Ruid dead too. I don't know. I can't remember who the fuck these niggas is. Bro, can you jump, Eivor? Like, damn. Imagine it was a snake back here. Okay, I get your point. I get your point. God damn. Let me stop talking about snakes and shit. Alright, Book of Knowledge. Yes, sir. Blinding Rush. Now, this was one that I never used because I never got it. Successfully assassinated doesn't interrupt the ability. Oh my good. That's a bro. I would have loved it. They had 3 niggas stacked up. Okay, yeah, we found another clue. Search the bandit camp found between Britannia's Watch and the first village in East Anglia. So, bandit camp between Britannia's Watch and that. So, Britannia and that village. That. The old fort. Always trust your hunch. That shit looked close enough. It said the old fort and Thetford. Close enough, my nigga. Fuck it. I honestly don't want to bring my bring goat up into this situation because I don't know what the fuck is over here. Okay, so this is still for forest, but it's not Thetford though. Check me out.
My eyes.
It's a camp. They said it's a camp. Right here? It's a camp. Maybe. Maybe. I swear your boy, you using a lot of big dick brainy energy.
I should not be seen in this area.
My nigga, we finna go fucking mall up. No cap. Ah, let's just do this to loot. Hey, you had a chance, man. You better get your shit together. Here you go. Yes. How didn't you see me come through here? That's your fault y'all died, honestly. I blame nobody but him. Gifle? Rifle? My nigga, why you just only looking left? Your fault. Anything else in this bitch? It's that nigga time to die now. Simple as that. Pulling up to the spot. Don't make it too hot. Man, ain't that about a bitch. Okay, my nigga. Yeah, just burn. My nigga, I thought you were supposed to be burning.
Gotcha, bitch!
Now, I hope, look, my thing, bro, you can't run. What, you on fire? What? Both of y'all. Fire. My nigga, what are you, invincible or some shit? What the fuck? This nigga just threw a whole man at me. Yeah, you're built different. Gifle? Damn, he got a arrow in his arm. Fuck this shit up, most definitely. I'm gonna kill you. Hood.
Gotcha, bitch!
Okay, yeah, I'm leaving you for last, Gifle. Who is throwing this up? Who's throwing this shit?
Gotcha, bitch!
Oh, you guys over here. Stop yourself from y'all niggas. Gotta be the dumbest. Y'all is so slow. This nigga keep trying this shit. Where your man's at? Wait, can I throw that shit back? Throw it again. Throw another one. Throw another one. I'm standing still. Hurry up for this nigga pull up.
Gotcha, bitch.
Alright, I guess I'm finna just have to do. Stupid bitch.
Yo, stupid bitch. Gotcha, bitch.
Stupid motherfucker. Hold on, come here. I wanna hit you with one of these. Stupid bitch. Alright, I get up off you.
Gotcha, bitch.
Yep, got you again. Hold these fucking hands. Hold these fucking hands. Headbutt that bitch. Yes, sir. I confirm it. This shit out of here.
I wish
Another
my
guy
life
checked off.
had been a carnival of drinking ale and pissing.
It could have been, I'm sure.
No, we have not reached such a point. I used the order to live a life of ale drinking, but the price of my ale was murder.
That's your L.
Sad, really.
Yeah, it is sad, but y'all see what I did there? I said that's your L, and he said he used it to drink ale. Was gonna pick the bitch up. No need. See? Tat free. Hey, you just getting your man's killed. I ain't even have to, you know. I ain't even have to do all of the extra shits. We finna go kill that nigga next. No cap. Let's do that. Anything else? Anything else? No? Okay, cool. Alright, y'all, just want to let y'all know these motherfuckers is knocked off of the order list, so they will not be appearing up no more. I'm gonna try my best to not show y'all the map. If I accidentally show y'all the order map and shit like that, that's my bad, because I'm doing shit in a different type of order, so my bad. I'm just all over the place with my shit. But trust, when I knock out the entire order map, all y'all gonna see is red, like a motherfucking fire truck or some shit. I don't know. Hey man, if y'all enjoyed this video, please make sure I hit that subscribe button plus the bell so that y'all get notified every single time I drop a video. I just want to let y'all know, yes, I'm using the same outro for all of the endings and shit, so I'm sorry. Share all of my videos and don't be stingy, and please make sure I hit that subscribe button plus the bell so that y'all get notified every single time I drop a video. Next up, there's gonna be a couple other motherfuckers. It might be 2, it might be 3, who knows? We just gonna knock them all off. Love y'all, appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching.